everybody, I almost forgot to come in and do an intro. This is a montage of all of the entries for BHM Pattern Designers, the 5th year celebration. And so enjoy the montage. If you want to know specifically what patterns people used and all of that good stuff, follow the hashtag BHM Pattern Designers. You can just click on that hashtag, search the hashtag on Instagram, and you will see all of the pictures that you see that I'm sharing. Now, also, full disclosure, there are several people that entered multiple items. I might not have caught all of the pictures, so forgive me if I did. And also, congratulations to all of the winners. Congratulations, and even our bonus winner. Thank you everybody for participating. There are 4 prize packs. There's 3 prize packs and a bonus prize pack. If you want to know everything that was included in everyone's prize pack, I did it live on Instagram. I will leave a link to the live video on Instagram, so if you want to know specifically what everybody will be receiving, definitely click on that link down in the description box below. But I think that is it. Stay tuned for Wednesday. There will be a haul video. Yes, a little haul that I'll be sharing with you. So stay tuned for Wednesday. But enjoy the montage, everybody. Have a blessed one. Bye.